Good morning, dear students. Today, let's study a poem. So, all of you take your textbook, take page number 60. Off to school we go. So, the name of the poem is Off to School We Go. So, shall we start? Okay, so I'll ask you a question. Do you like to go to school? Yes, I know you all like to go to school. Now you are all missing your school, isn't it? You know why children like to go to school? Because school is a happy place for children. Why? Because you can learn many new things. You can make new friends. You can play with your friends. You can dance with your friends. You can sing with your friends. You can share your snacks with them. You can have your lunch with them, and you can see your second parents. Who are your second parents? Your teachers are your second parents. You know why? Because you can tell your problems to your teachers, they can solve it like your mother solves all your problems at home. So, teachers are your guardian at school. Okay, and you can enjoy a lot in your school. So that is why our school is a happy place for all the children. So today I will take you back to school through a poem. Off to school we go. So let us read this poem. So this poem is about why children love to go to school. Okay, here you can see happy children, some happy children. So look at here, happy children having smiling faces. You can hear happy children. So this poem is about what why these children love to go to school. Okay, I'll read the poem. Let's listen carefully. Okay, so shall we start? Off to school we go. Oh, it's off to school we go. We will take our lunch and write the best with everyone we know. Off to school we go. Oh, it's off to school we go. We will learn our ABCs and more with everyone we know. So it's a very simple 8 lines poem. It's very simple one. So I'll read it once again. Listen carefully. Okay. Off to school we go. Oh, it's off to school we go. We will take our lunch and write the best with everyone we know. Off to school we go. Oh, it's off to school we go. We will learn our ABCs and more with everyone we know. Okay, so here, so I'll explain these lines. Okay, so look at this picture. You can see some happy children are going to school by their school bus. Okay, so here first line, off to school we go. Off to school we go. So here off to means going to. Off to means going to. So the children say that they are going to school. Off to school we go means we are going to school. We are going to school. Off to school we go. Oh, it's off to school we go. So the children are saying that they are going to school. We will take our lunch. We will take our lunch. So the children, what are they saying? They will take their lunch. Means they take their lunch box to school. Okay, they take their lunch box with them. They are going to school. They take their lunch box and ride the bus. Okay, and ride the bus means what? Ride the bus means they are going to school by bus. Okay, they are going to school by bus. With everyone we know, with whom they are going to school, with everyone they know, means with their friends, with their classmates, with their siblings, with their teachers, etc. Okay, siblings means brothers and sisters. So, off to school we go. Oh, it's off to school we go. We will take our lunch and ride the bus with everyone we know. Okay, the children are saying that they are going to school. They take their lunch with them and they are going to school by bus with everyone, with their friends and classmates and teachers, with everyone they know. Okay. So off to school we go. Oh, it's off to school we go. We will take our lunch and ride the bus with everyone we know. So where are the children going? Yes, the children are going to school. And what will the children ride? The children will ride the bus. Then what will the children take with them? They take their lunch. The children will take their lunch. Okay, then who all will be with the children? Everyone they know. Everyone they know will be with the children. Everyone they know means their friends, their classmates, their brothers and sisters, teachers, etc. Okay. ഫസ്റ്റ് സ്റ്റാൻസ മനസ്സിലായോ? ഓഫ് ടു സ്കൂൾ വി ഗോ. Oh, it's off to school we go. We will take our lunch and ride the bus with everyone we know. So the children are going to school and they take their lunch boxes with them and they are going to school by bus with everyone they know. Okay, so I'll read the second stanza. Listen here. Off to school we go. Oh, it's off to school we go. We will learn our ABCs and more with everyone we know. So, second stanza again. First two lines are repeated. Off to school we go. We are going to school. We are going to school. You know why? We will learn we will learn our ABCs. So here ABCs means they will learn new lessons, new subjects, new alphabets, ABCs, and many more things at school. So we will go together in the bus and learn ABCs. ABCs means new lessons and many more new things with everyone they know. So they will learn ABCs and many more lessons, many more new things with everyone they know. Okay, so what will the children learn at school? Yes, they will learn ABCs and more. Okay, so off to school we go. Oh, it's off to school we go. So the children we are going to school. We will learn our ABC. So at school, we will learn many new things, many new topics, subjects, many new things we will learn, and more than that we will learn with everyone we know. So with others, with my classmates, with my friends, we will learn ABCs and many more things. Okay, so this poem is about a group of happy children who are going to school by bus and they are carrying their lunch boxes and they are happy as they will get to learn a lot of things with their friends and they are going to have a great time at school. So that is why the children are very happy. Okay, so this poem is about a group of children who are going to school. They are very happy and they take their lunch boxes with them and they are going to school by bus with everyone they know. And at school they will learn new things. They will learn ABCs and more with others, with their friends and classmates. They will learn ABCs and more. Okay, so this is the meaning of this poem. Off to school we go. Okay, so we'll read it once again. Listen carefully. Off to school we go. Oh, it's off to school we go. We will take our lunch and ride the bus with everyone we know. Off to school we go. Oh, it's off to school we go. We will learn our ABCs and more with everyone we know. Okay, so this poem is about what some happy children who like to go to school, and they are going to school by bus, and they take their lunch with them. They are going to school by bus with everyone they know. And at school, they will learn ABCs and more with everyone they know. Okay, now we will do some exercises given in your textbook. Look at here. Complete this paragraph. Use the words given in the box. Okay, some words are given in the box, in the bracket here. So we have to choose the right answer from the box. In the poem, the children are going to dash. Where are the children going? School. In the poem, the children are going to school. They are very happy. They are very happy. They take their dash to school. They take their what lunch to school. They take their lunch to school. They take their lunch to school. They go by dash. They go by bus with their dash, with their friends. Okay, at school they dash ABC. They learn ABC, and they dash. They enjoy learning. New things. Last one, they enjoy learning new things. So write all these answers here. In the poem, the children are going to school. First one. Then children are going to school. They are very happy. Second one, they take their lunch. 3 here. They take their lunch to school. They go by bus. Okay, fourth one here, bus with their friends. Five here, with their friends at school. They learn 6 here, and they learn ABC. They dash learning. They enjoy learning new things. New things. Last, no, here not. And this is seventh one. Okay, seventh one. This is eighth one. Okay, I have written all these answers here in the next page. So make use of this page for completing all the answers. Okay, write this exercise in your textbook. No need to write it in your notebook. Okay, then one more exercise, question answers. Answer each questions in one sentence. So write these question and answers in your notebook and study well. Where are the children going? The children are going to school. Second one, what will the children ride? The children will ride the bus. What will the children take? The children will take their lunch. What will the children learn? The children will learn ABCs and more. Who all will be with the children? The children will be with everyone they know. Means they are with their friends and classmates. Okay. So that's for today. Then study, write these question answers in your notebook. Okay, and study well. And I'll conduct a test paper, what lesson caterpillar, baby caterpillar, and I'll inform the date. Okay, I'll inform the date soon. Okay, so study well. Thank you. Have a nice day.